In ancient times, there were many tribal clans, and the primary business of these tribal clans were invasion and acquisition. The borders were elastic to be broken. The military order of these tribal clans was precise, very organized, almost geometric, like concentric circles. The outermost ring, foot soldiers. उसके अंदर का ring, horsemen. And further inside, elephant warriors. Above these rings were a squad leader, and above 10 such squad leaders was one Senapati, their defense chief. Now, इसमें promotion was as per the laid down rules. Seniority, years served, the scars earned. A good सवार मर जाता है. A young foot soldier, total rookie, quietly mounts that vacant horse. फिर क्या था? Total outreach. Who the hell do you think you are, भाई? अपनी औकात में रहे. Earn your stripes. Know your place. The young man simply said, "Sir, I am putting my life on the line. If I fail, I will die." अपनी जान पे तो दाव मैं लगा रहा हूँ. The elders were, they allowed it. एक युद्ध में अक्ल ठिकाने आ जाएगी, they thought. But he didn't die. He trained. He fell, he rose, he learned. And देखते ही देखते, he was one fine horseman. Then, an elephant warrior fell in the battle. Now, before anyone could speak or decide, this man again goes and mounts that elephant. Now, this time, the protests were louder. अब ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया भाई. बचपना ठीक था. ये तो हेकड़ी है, ये अक्कड़ है. There are more deserving men. This requires experience, more maturity, and more gravitas. He replied again, बड़े आराम से. Sir, I am carrying the weight of the elephant. If I cannot carry the weight, I'll be crushed. हाथी पे तो मैं बैठा हूँ. Reluctantly, they let him again. इस बार तो वो मरेगा, they thought. And again he survived. He mastered again. He learned the art of mounting an elephant, riding on it, and fighting on it. Then a squad leader died. Now this was no mere saddle. एक मामूली सीट नहीं था वो. This was a command. This was an authority to be earned. This man still comes and sits on the squad seat. The entire circle closed ranks against him. Now this time the Senapati had been watching him. Not his audacity, but his preparation after taking that chance. Not his hunger, but his discipline beyond the hunger. The Senapati appointed him as squad leader. He learned, he understood the strategies. Years passed. Now the Senapati died. And now something strange happened. No debate, no protest, no sawal, no jawab. Every squad leader instinctively looked at one man. The man who never waited to be invited to next circle. He became the Senapati. The one who says, I will handle it, I will learn it, I will risk it, are often mocked first. The seat goes to the one who dares to sit on it.